other. Leave everything you got on that field. Yeah. Show them how we do it. Yeah.
Together, huh? And now a throw. Kelsey's wide open. Finds it. Touchdown!
I see you striking out there, baby.
Way to work. Hey, way to work. Play action fake. Here comes pressure. He's sacked. Damian Wilson. Gonna give it to him on a flip pass right to left. 25 blockers. 20, 15, 10 to the 5. Touchdown! Kansas City.
I see you running big, dude. I see you running big, dude. Come on,
Rodgers
man.
takes the snap. The Chiefs are blitzing. Down goes Rodgers for the third time. Third down goal to go. Aaron Rodgers at the 7. Surveying the field. Right to left. He's buried. Back at the 19-yard line. Buried by Emmanuel Ogbah. Packers 24, Chiefs 17. Damian Williams left side. Touchdown! And the Chiefs can tie the game with a PAT. 4-yard touchdown run, Damian Williams.
Hey, way to work, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
3rd and 5, Green Bay. And the game essentially comes down to this play. Back to throw is Rodgers, firing right side to the running back against the linebacker. First down, and Green Bay will win it.
We can all do better, starting with me and all my guys, coaches and players, and each one of us can up our game another notch, and we'll go back and evaluate it and then get ourselves ready for a good Minnesota football team.